10. Temperatura actual en el aeropuerto New York John F. Kennedy, 73 grados Fahrenheit, 23 grados Celsius con el cielo parcialmente nublado. Pedimos que por favor guarden sus aparatos electrónicos portátiles y presten atención a los monitores que se encuentran a través de nuestra cabina mientras muestran las características de seguridad Nación 767. Su atención, por favor.
There are so many places to go in this world.
And so many airlines that can take you there. So we thank you
For making the journey with us.
Thank you.
We're glad you're here.
And now we'd like for you to pay attention to the following safety video.
First, please fasten your seatbelt. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal fitting into the buckle and pull on the loose end of the strap to tighten. To open, lift up on the buckle.
We recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, as turbulence can occur unexpectedly.
As we prepare for takeoff, please be sure your seat back and tray table are up and carry-on baggage is under a seat.
Smoking is not allowed at any time.
Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in the lavatories may result in a fine.
U.S. law requires passengers to comply with all time and crew member instructions about seatbelts and smoking.
So that you may follow along, we have provided a safety card in your seat pocket.
All exits on this airplane are clearly marked. Please refer to the safety card to locate your nearest exit. Keep in mind, the closest exit may be behind you. On this airplane, there's an additional ramp located in a marked storage compartment in the business class cabin. Each cabin exit door and some exits over the wings are equipped with an evacuation slide. Some slides, except those over the wings, may